It was Gandhi that said, "Be the change you want to see in the world." We often apply this to nation building and forget that nation building actually starts from personal building, then family building. This means when you fix a person, you're fixing a nation. Looking at it from that context, it is safe to say that fix a woman, you're fixing a wife, or fix a man, you're fixing a husband. The man or woman you are usually determines the experience and people you attract. When we seek to change our experiences and the type of relationships we've been having, what we need to pay attention to is changing or fixing ourselves. How then does one fix themselves? Self-awareness is one of the most important tools for fixing yourself and invariably your love life. Make a list of all that you want in a spouse. Be clinically detailed. Then, look through the list as you ask yourself, would this person of great quality be with me? Oftentimes, if you're sincere with yourself, you realize that such lists help you to see areas where you can be greater but haven't been. The only reason you are attracting wrong people is because you haven't become the right person yourself. Check your habits, your values, and characters, and you would see a need for an upgrade. If you want a better love life, don't focus on the other person who is or isn't asking you out. Don't focus on the one who is or isn't loving you. Focus daily on the man and woman in the mirror. Only the man in the mirror is capable of giving you a happy love life. Fix the man in the mirror, then you fix your love life. P.S. Why not be the one to apologize? Why not be the one to love more? Why not be the one to take initiative in your relationship? By doing that, you would actually be fixing yourself and not playing any blame games. It is important that you fix your eyes on the mirror.